Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video we're going to be making a gorgeous faux succulent wall hanging. I know I normally make wreaths, but I was wandering the aisles of Michael's as one does. They have such a beautiful selection of succulents and like modern or boho kind of decor, and I saw this wall hanging planter and the succulents, and I just got the idea and I kind of put it together in the store and I loved it. So I thought this would be a fun video and I wanted to show you. If you're excited, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Okay, the materials you're going to need for this wreath are whatever this thing is called. This is the wall hanging thing. It has a nice little hanger here you can hang, or this. And then it has this gorgeous wood on the top and it's metal. I just love it, and we're going to put our succulents in here. Before I started recording, I already filled it with whatever kind of foam that I had on hand. It does not have to be perfect. This is all going to be covered up. I just cut them to size and shoved them in and glued it in. So that's what happened so far. You're also going to need some moss. This is what I have. Mine fell out of the bag, but here's the moss. So nice. And I'm going to use that to cover up the foam. And then you're just going to want a variety of succulents. These are the ones I have. I have a good variety. These are on sale right now at Michael's. They're on a better sale right now than when I got them. So that's what we're going to use. And also hot glue gun and hot glue. Here's my hot glue sticks. And then some wire cutters. And everything I use as far as my tools are linked in the description. And everything here is from Michael's. So the first thing we're gonna do is fill this up with moss. So I'm just gonna, and it does not have to be a lot. I'm just gonna take a little bit. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue. I don't know if you can see that. Just like that. This is really hot. So I'm just gonna put glue all over and then quickly put the moss on. And the succulents are going to be covering this up for the most part. But just in case, it's nice to see moss instead of foam, don't you think? And I don't want it super thick because I want my stems to be able to go through pretty easily. I might have put it on a little thick. Okay, now that our moss is done, we are going to start putting some succulents in. I love this. It looks kind of like a fern. I think it matches so well. And notice that I went with kind of a color scheme. I've got more of the lime green greenery. So it's kind of a similar color palette. And then this pink tone with a little bit of the yellow and the pink. And different textures but similar color tones. That way it has lots of texture and variety, but it's not overwhelming and chaotic. I hope that makes sense. So first I'm going to put this in the back. It's going to cover that area. So you know, I'm so used to gluing like this. I don't need to glue that whole thing. I just need to glue the bottom. And then I'm going to just stick it through the floral wire best as I can. Actually, oh, that looks really pretty. I kind of want to move this over a little. Oops. Okay, that is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so I'm trying to add the stuff in the back first, and I wanted some height in the back. So that's why I got these. Oh my gosh. So there's that. Now it's like having a little garden in here. It's so gorgeous. So this is gonna go over here on the side. What else do I have? I think I'm gonna add this in the back. Do you see how on the back we have 3 of the same color but completely different textures? I just love this. You can keep this as simple as you want. I think just a few things is really, really pretty. Okay, now I know I want this to go on the side right here. I like having a little bit draping. Some people have really long drapey things, and that is gorgeous. I'm just going to keep mine kind of simple. Well, it's not that simple. Ooh, this is kind of perfect. It already has like a little spike stem. Nice. It's as if it's meant to go in here. Oh yeah. Just gonna add a little extra glue just in case. I'm gonna add the pink over on the opposite side of this, still in the middle a little bit because we want that color over here. Oh, that's so cute. That is looking so good so far. Yay. I love it. And then see how these have a little bit of the pink as well, and it's kind of dangly. So I can have it dangle in the middle or the side. I don't know. I'm just trying to spread apart the spiky, and spiky. They're a little different texture, but they still have that spikiness, so I want to separate them. So now I'm going to add in these because the stem is a little thicker, so I think it'll be easier to add this in last. I'm actually going to break this up into 2 pieces so that I can get it a little bit lower. Maybe 3 pieces. Yeah. And then I'm also angling these a little bit so they have more of a point at the bottom, so it's easier to stick in. Oh, that's so cute. And then this is going to go front and center, and it's really going to finish everything off nicely. That is so cute. I really packed it full. I'm just going to add in a touch more glue right for this guy. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Okay, here it is. What do you think? I just love all the different textures and the subtle color palette. It's so bright and pretty. It's so perfect for summer. I love this. I have a succulent wreath tutorial that I made that you might enjoy also if you enjoyed this. So go watch that next. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and maybe share this with a friend who also loves succulents and maybe has a hard time keeping them alive. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye.